So let's proceed to the lesson 13. This is also again a common expressions, a dialogue about visiting at home. So here in these lessons, we learn and how to speak in Cebuano dialect through visiting at home. So in visiting at home, if we say na ay tao dere or tagbalay, is anybody home or anybody home in English. And in Cebuano, if, uy, ikaw di ay na. Oh, it's you. So in English, oh, it's you. In Cebuano, if we say dayon, saka. So if we say dayon or saka, in English, that is come on up or come in. Pwedeng musulod. So in Cebuano, if we say pwedeng musulod, in English, that is may I come in. So pwedeng musulod, may I come in. Lingkod palihog. So if we say lingkod palihog, in English, that is please be seated. So please be seated. Unsa may ato. So in Cebuano, if we say unsa may ato, in English, is there anything I can do for you? Is there anything I can do for you? Mainom ba ka? So in Cebuano, if you say mainom ba ka? So in English, would you care for a drink? Muadto na ko. So if we say muadto na ko, in English, I'm leaving now. So if we say muadto na ko, in English, that is I'm leaving now. So don't you know that Marawi City is the only one Islamic city in the Philippines? The Uphill City, very dramatic backdrop of Sleeping Mountain. No shopping mall at this city.